In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Reddit username. Before we begin, it's important to clarify something that often confuses people on Reddit. Reddit does not allow you to change your existing username once the account has been created. So if you're trying to update the actual username that appears as your u/name in posts and comments, that can't be edited. What you can change, however, is your display name. Your display name affects how your name appears on your personal profile page, but it does not replace your real Reddit username across the platform. If you truly want a different username, your only option is to create a brand new account with the username you want, and you can keep both accounts active if needed. With that in mind, let's walk through how to update your display name on Reddit. Start by going to your Reddit home dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu, where you'll find several options related to your profile and account preferences. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Reddit account. Inside Settings, look for the Profile tab and click on it. The Profile section is where you can adjust how your account appears to others, including your profile details. Once you're in the Profile tab, find the option for Display Name. Next to it, you should see an arrow or expandable control. Click on that arrow to open the Display Name field. This is the area where you can customize the name shown on your profile. Now click into the field and type in your new display name. Choose the name you want people to see when they visit your profile page. A good tip here is to pick something clear and recognizable, especially if you use Reddit for personal branding, community engagement, or simply want your profile to look more polished. After entering the new display name, click Save to apply the change. Once saved, your updated display name should appear on your profile. Just remember, this only changes your display name, not your actual Reddit username. Your original username will still appear in posts, comments, and other account activity. And that's how to change your Reddit username appearance by updating your display name.